So that means here the gas does not flow through the gas turbine. Then who flows? Because there is a combustion is taking place inside the combustion chamber. How? Because we are giving the air and the fuel, so they produces the gas, and this gases exchange heat to the air, transfer the heat to this air, and this air, heated air, goes inside the gas turbine. Then it goes to the heat exchanger. In heat exchangers, so there is another cooling medium is there. So another cooling medium is there. So this cooling medium, water is there, goes and water goes out. So this water cools this air, and again, so this is the closed. This cycle is the closed cycle. Closed cycle. Now let us name it. So suppose this point is 1 point. Compressor inlet is the 1 point. Compressor outlet is 2 point. Combustion chamber outlet is 3 point. And GT outlet is 4 point. Now 1 to 2, let me write it. 1 to 2, what is happening? Air is going inside the compressor, and the pressure here is P1, and pressure rises to P2. So function of the compressor of the, what is the function of the compressor? To rise the pressure of the air, simply. To rise the pressure. So 1 2, what is the? So 1 2 I can write, what is this process? This process is called isentropic compression process. Compression process. This process is isentropic compression process. So okay. Now in this process, what is happening? Pressure is rising from P1 to P2 of the air or fluid working medium. So here it is working medium is the air, so its pressure rises. Then 2 to 3, what is happening here? In the process 2 to 3, what is happening? In the 2 to 3, firing is taking place, combustion is taking place. So this is called, but pressure is remaining same. So this process is called constant pressure combustion process. Constant pressure combustion process. So that means P2 and P3 is same. P2 and P3 is same, but suppose here P1 is the pressure and P1 is the temperature, and here P2 is the pressure and T2 is the temperature, and here P3 is the pressure and T3 is the pressure. Here due to the firing, temperature rises. So what is the constant pressure combustion process, as a result of which what happens? T3 increases highly, because there is a exothermic reaction process inside the combustion chamber. Fuel transfers its chemical energy, so air temperature rises. So T3 increases, but pressure remaining same. So this is the combustion process. Then what is the 3 to 4? So I am writing here 3 to 4. 3 to 4 is the 3 to 4 is happening, where is happening? In the gas turbine. So in the gas turbine, so this process is called isentropic expansion process. Why it is expansion? Because the enthalpy is decreasing, pressure is decreasing. Why? Because gas turbine what is doing? Whatever the energy was there in the air, it is transferring. Heat energy is transferring here. In the gas turbine what happens? Heat energy converts to mechanical energy, and the generator mechanical energy to electrical energy. So first we transfer, in the combustion chamber we transfer chemical energy to heat energy. We transfer it, and gas turbine we are changing heat energy to mechanical energy. Then what you will do? Whatever the energy was there, so pressure will decrease and enthalpy will decrease and energy will convert to the mechanical energy. So that's why we are telling this is the isentropic expansion process. And P3 is nothing but P2, so it will again come to, so P3 and P2 both are same, so P3 or P2 will come down to P1, again P4, and P4 is nothing but a P1. So P4 and P1 both are same. Both are same. So here isentropic expansion is taking place. Then what is the 421? 421 is the, so 223 was the heating process and 421 is the cooling process. So this is the constant pressure heat rejection process or cooling process. Heat rejection process 421. So that means we understand. So there are two isentropic processes taking place in the compressors and the gas turbine. In the compressor, what is happening? Pressure is rising, and gas turbine, pressure is falling. And in the combustion chamber, what is happening? Temperature is rising. Similarly, heat exchangers. So HE means heat exchangers. Heat exchanger, what is happening? Temperature is reducing, T4 to T1. So here pressure is P4 and T4, and in the heat exchanger T4 is reducing to T1. So this is the function of all these things. Now, what is the isentropic process? Let me discuss it. So let me remove this part. So I understand. Let us discuss the isentropic process. What is the isentropic process? Isentropic process, it will be happen if it is in a reversible plus adiabatic. Adiabatic means no heat transfer. Q equal to 0. Okay. So then it will be a isentropic process. If it is an isentropic process, what is the formula? There are three formulas are there. Three formula. First formula, P1 V1 gamma is equal to P2 V2 gamma is equal to PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. This is the first formula. Second, T1 V1 gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 gamma minus 1 is equal to PV gamma minus 1 general is equal to constant. See. Third formula, T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 gamma minus 1 by gamma. So there are three formulas are there. So this is the first formula. Let me circle it. So this is the first formula. This is the second. And this is the third. These are three formulas are there. So if it is an isentropic, so three equations holds goods, but here I will use number 3 equations. So here I will use the number 3 equation. So first equation is used in IC engine. First equation is generally internal combustion engine, and second somewhere you can use it, but third is precisely used in gas turbine GT. In here every time I will use the mostly I will use the 3. Other equation also I can use it, but mostly use this third. So third equation, that T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 gamma minus 1 by gamma. This one I will use. Okay. Now if I use it, let us see what will be the shape of the cycle in PV diagram and TS diagram. So this is my PV coordinate and this is my TS coordinate. So this is PV diagram and this is the TS diagram. What is the PV? Pressure and volume. TS, temperature and entropy. So I have told first 1 to 2 is the isentropic, that is, and also P to the power gamma, it holds this equation, P to the power gamma. Then isentropic here can be represented by this way. So this is the 1 to 2, this is the isentropic process. Isentropic process in the PV plane can be shown by like that. Okay. Then 2 to 3 is called constant pressure. Constant pressure. So pressure will remain same. So 2 to 3. Then 3 to 4 again isentropic. Again isentropic. 4 to 1 constant pressure heat rejection. So in the PV diagram, so what is happening? Where we are giving the heat? We are giving the heat here. This is the Q1. Where we are giving the heat out, so this is the Q2. What is the 3, 4? 3, 4 we are getting the power, W turbine. And what is the 1, 2? We are giving the power in the compressor. So this is negative and this is positive. This work by the compressor is negative because it is consuming, and work by the turbine is positive. So 4 things happen. In the 1, 2, what is happening? The compressor is taking some power and it is pressurizing from P1 to P2, and 2 to 3 we are giving the heat in the system by burning the fuel Q1, and 3 to 4 we are getting the power WT, and 4 to 1 again we are rejecting heat to the atmosphere and coming to the original initial position. So this is the cycle in PV diagram. You see in the TS diagram, so 1 to 2 isentropic means entropy will remain constant. Then what will be the diagram? So 1, 2 entropy will same. 1, 2 entropy is remaining same. Then 2 to 3 constant pressure. Here diagram is like that. 2 to 3 pressure remaining same. This is the constant pressure line. Pressure is constant, but temperature will get an increase. And 3 to 4 again isentropic. To like that. 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. Again we come back to the original position. So here we are here. What is happening? So here is we are giving the heat input, and here we are rejecting the, and this is the turbine work WT, and this is WC is consumed. So this is in PV and TS plane. This is the cycle diagram. Now if I will keep this one, let me erase this part.